You know, they say that Rome wasn't built in a day. Well, that's because I wasn't foreman that day. I'm not gonna lie though, this new generation of workers, they're a little different. You're the new guy. Oh, great heavens. Don't get me wrong, they're not that bad. They're just not great in high pressure situations. Contact! Contact 12 o'clock! I'm out, I need a mag, I'm out! Brother, that was a screwdriver. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. I swear you just can't hire the staff nowadays. Are you seriously crying right now? Brother, you gotta lock in, drink that, it will help. I'm sure that after some on-site character building, they'll be a great asset to the company.